Using SmartArt to jumpstart your design. My name is Kate, and I'm a graphic designer at Silver Fox. We are a design agency specializing in visual storytelling through presentation and keynote design. While SmartArt may not have the chicest reputation, it is a super helpful tool for speeding up the build time of a design. And once you use these objects to build the bones of your layout, you can customize the visual style to your heart's desire. Your final design may resemble something totally different, but this is a super helpful tool to get started. First, select the content you're converting, and under the Home tab, click Convert to SmartArt Graphic. I highly recommend familiarizing yourself with all the options that the SmartArt library has to offer. There's a plethora of diagrams and ready-made pieces that are there to jumpstart your design with. If the graphic you chose isn't quite working to get the point across, you can right-click on the object, select Change Layout, and easily convert to a different one. When you're ready to start customizing the style, ungroup the object twice to release it into individual shapes. I also sometimes grab a graphic just to ungroup it and use one piece of it in a design. A common slide my clients need done is a logo slide showing businesses they partner with. To quickly get them into a nice grid, you can insert the basic block list graphic, right-click and add shape to adjust to the number of logos, and ungroup it to start aligning the logos to the columns and rows. You may want to eyeball it a bit since the different shapes and colors can play tricks on your eye. Another common slide that clients send our way is a products and services hierarchy. You can convert this to SmartArt to get a responsive design that would take so much time to build manually. This works well for employee hierarchy too. I highly recommend utilizing SmartArt objects as a jumping off point for your designs and incorporating this into your workflow. I use these pretty much daily in my work for clients. They speed up the initial building process and help me brainstorm the most effective way to visually communicate a story. Please like, comment, and follow for more.